Good evening. Welcome to the annual Title I meeting. I am Stephanie Lee, the proud principal of Eddie and Debbie Peach Elementary. Like the No Child Left Behind Act, Every Student Succeed is a reauthorization of the 1965 Elementary and Secondary Education Act, which requires each Title I school to hold an annual meeting for parents. The purpose of this meeting is to inform you of the school's participation in Title I, explain the legal requirements of Title I, and explain parents' rights to be involved. During today's presentation, we will share Title I funds and programs, Title I eligibility, parent rights under Title I, parent involvement policy, and the Homeschool Compact. The goal of this presentation is to ensure that parents understand the Title I program here at Peach. Title I is a federal program that provides supplemental funding to schools with high numbers of children from low-income families to ensure that all children, no matter their backgrounds, meet challenging state academic standards. In Arlington ISD, there are 48 schools that receive Title I funds based on the percentage of students who receive free and reduced lunch. Over 30,000 students will benefit from Title I funds in AISD this year, and Peach Elementary is a Title I campus. Our campus does have a school-wide Title I program, which means that all students on our campus are eligible to receive Title I funded services and programs, even if they don't qualify for free or reduced lunch. Our goal is for all students on our campus to be proficient and to provide opportunities for all parents to be involved. The Comprehensive Needs Assessment takes into account information on the academic achievement of children in relation to challenging state academic standards, particularly the needs of those children who are failing or at risk of failing to meet challenging state standards. Schools shall develop a comprehensive plan, and the plan shall be developed with the involvement of parents, community, and school staff. The plan should be in a format that is understandable to all and provided in a language that parents can understand. It should include a description of strategies that the school is implementing to address the needs of the school. Title I funds are used to provide things above and beyond everything all AISD schools receive from the district. Title I funds may not be used to replace local campus funds and programs the district is already providing. Title I funds are used to identify students experiencing academic difficulties and providing timely assistance to help students, all students, meet content standards. Title I funds are also used to purchase supplemental staff programs and resources, conduct parent engagement meetings, workshops, and trainings, and recruit, hire, and retain highly qualified teachers to meet the needs of all students. In Title I schools, you will see the annual Title I meeting, which is what is occurring right now, school parent compacts, which were sent home last week, two-way communication between teachers and families, variety of family and parent workshops, end-of-year surveys, annual parent conferences, and information in languages that families understand best. Title I funds for Peach Elementary are allocated to the following: interventionists that can provide academic support and intervention to students that have qualified, tutoring for struggling students that occurs during the school day, training and professional development for teachers to meet the needs of our students, reading materials, supplies for students, refreshments for after school and before school programs, as well as for parent meetings. All Title I campuses hold meetings for parents to provide information on academics, curriculum, and state assessments. These academic nights will also discuss strategies to help support your child's learning at home. Some of the meetings that will be held this year include academic nights, math, science, and reading. Parent and family engagement, as defined by Every Student Succeed Act, means the participation of parents in regular two-way and meaningful communication involving student academic learning and other school activities. Each school that receives Title I funds shall develop jointly and distribute to parents and family members the district's plan as well as the campus improvement plan. The policy must describe how the district and the campus will engage students and parents in the campus improvement plan, provide coordination and assistance to schools for parent engagement, build parent and school capacity, annually evaluate the policy, and involve parents in Title I school activities. Each Title I school shall also develop jointly with and approved by parents the school parent and family engagement policy. The School Parent Compact is a written agreement between parents and teachers, outlines what families and schools can do to help children reach high academic standards, and must be developed jointly with parents and teachers. All Title I parents must be given the opportunity to contribute to the development of this compact and provide input to developing a compact that is reflective of the school and community. This year, we are proud to share that Peach Elementary met the standard for state accountability. If you can remember last year, or if you were a part of Peach on last year, we were improvement required based on Index 1 and Index 3. This year, we were able to meet the standard overall in Domain 2 and Domain 3, which means that Peach has met the standard for state accountability. And we are very excited to share that news with you and want to thank all of our parents for their continued support of Peach Elementary. Opportunities on our campus include the Title I Family Engagement Team, multiple ways to volunteer, our site-based decision-making team, attending Title I events such as our family academic nights and parent workshops, and our Dad's Outreach program. District family engagement opportunities include the Parent University, district committees such as Student Health Advisory, Textbooks, District Instructional Decision-Making Team, Capital Needs Steering Committee, Financial Futures Committee, and Bond Oversight Committee. We also have a district family literacy program that is held at Knox Elementary. If you're interested in participating in this program, please contact the Family Literacy Program at 682-867-7267. This concludes our Title I information presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the campus or our Family Engagement Liaison, Sylvia Gonzalez. I hope you enjoy the rest of today's Parent Information Night. Have a great evening.